Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we disable guys Infinix phone auto brightness mode setting. Friends, how can we off it? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. Friends, you don't want to use guys your Infinix phone auto brightness, so friends you can off easily. And friends, now let's see how can we turn off it. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting in your Infinix phone device. So guys, you will have to click on guys your Infinix phone display and brightness to disable your auto brightness mode. And guys, tap here. Friends, click on guys your adaptive brightness setting guys, tap here. So we will disable from the right side icon. After disable guys, come back and you can customize your brightness setting according to yourself guys without any problem guys. So guys, after guys auto brightness guys, our phone brightness will not increase and decrease automatic in Infinix phone. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye guys.